Welcome back, traders and investors, to our new member tutorial on how to navigate Barchart.com. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced investor, understanding how to navigate this powerful platform is essential for your success. In today's video, we'll walk through everything you need to know to get started: how to navigate the site, find help for specific pages, access international data, and stay updated with the latest site news. Before we get started, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's get started with navigating the site menu. The main navigation bar at the top of the page helps you quickly access key features like quotes and charts for stocks, options, ETFs, futures, and currencies. And the Investing tab, this is your gateway to powerful tools like stock screeners, top stocks, and insider data. And under the News tabs, this keeps you updated with the latest market updates, financial reports, and breaking news across several markets to stay informed on what matters most. And the Tools tab, this houses some of Barchart's most advanced features, including personalized watch lists, price alerts, and custom views. And last but not least, the Learn tab. Here, you'll find educational resources like site guides, live webinars, and tutorials to help you master the tools and strategies you need to succeed in any market. Let's start by diving into the stocks page. This is your central hub for exploring individual stocks and market trends. You'll find detailed sections that provide insights into fundamental data, analyst ratings, and technical indicators. You can also access charts, news, and a whole lot more directly from this page. Now, to collapse the menu, simply click here. And this will hide the sidebar, giving you a cleaner and more focused view of the content. You'll still be able to access the menu by clicking the drop-down menu here. If you want to bring the menu back, just click here again, and the full navigation menu will reappear. If you ever need assistance with a specific page or feature, click the help icon at the top right of the page. This opens a detailed guide tailored to the page you're viewing, providing explanations and tips for using the tools and data effectively. We can click on another page from the menu like pre-market trading. Here, at the top right, you'll see the same help icon to help guide you through each page. If you need additional assistance, just click Contact on the menu. Then you can send your questions or feedback directly to our support team. If you notice, our side menu has reappeared here automatically. If you prefer to hide this, you can go under the Tools tab to Site Preferences. For Plus and Premier members, you can adjust the advanced settings. Here, you'll be able to permanently hide the left side navigation, and your new settings and preferences will automatically be saved. Now, when we go to any page, we'll see that the side menu is now automatically hidden. If you want to access the menu, you can do so with the drop-down menu here. And if you want to unhide the menu, just click here. Trading goes beyond borders, and so does Barchart. So to access international data, you can click the flag at the top right. Here, you'll be able to access global markets from the navigation menu. We'll click on Canada, for example. Then, you can explore global indices and stocks from international markets. When you use the search bar, you'll notice that the symbols will be based on the selected market. In this example, Canada. So when we switch back to the US, we'll see that the assets in the search bar are also back to US markets. When we go to an asset overview in the US markets, for example, we'll use Apple. You'll notice that the side menu has several options for technical, fundamental analysis, as well as options data. However, when switching back to international markets or assets, these menu options, they can vary based on the assets selected from your search. So if you live in Canada and prefer the pages of the website to show market data from the Canadian exchanges, you can use this tool to access stocks, options, and news from Canada. A great way to track the markets no matter where you live or what you trade. Barchart constantly evolves to bring you the best tools and features. So let's take a look at the Site News section under the Learn tab. Here, you'll find updates about new tools, enhancements, and more. You can also stay informed by clicking the flag icon on the top right corner. Here, you'll see notifications whenever we have any new site updates. Under the Learn tab, you'll find a variety of guides and resources, so you can access tutorials for using specific site tools, learn about trading strategies, or get the latest updates on site features and how to use them. This page is all designed to help you maximize your experience on Barchart.com. So with the Learn tab, you have everything you need to become more confident in your trading and investing journey. So this is a powerful resource that makes Barchart not just a tool, but a learning platform. Today, we covered how to navigate the Barchart menu, access page-specific help, explore international data, and stay updated with the latest site news. With these tools, you're now equipped to make the most of your Barchart experience. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and drop us a comment if you've got any questions. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials for Barchart.com.